Hello everyone. Uthando Nesthembu returned for season 6 on Friday evening with much drama with Musa Mselekus' wives. Mseleku went on a date with his first wife Maqele, who wanted the topic of a fifth wife to be put to bed. She then told her husband that wife number 5 either needs to be introduced to the family or not. Maqele also said Mselekus' family meetings have become intense and contentious. The polygamist said they had to be because his wives aren't open to honest conversations and the truth-telling. This led to Maqele deciding to host her own meeting with her sister wives without their husband. The episode proceeded to see how on the other side, uMaNgwabe is coping with the issues she had in the previous season. Many viewers will say Mangwabe was not interested with her marriage anymore with Mr. Mseleku. Fans also speculated that she will leave her husband and was tired of the fighting and family dynamics. In the new season, not so much has changed. However, she did say she still loves Mseleku. Mangwabe's mother raised her concerns that Mseleku did not properly wed their daughter and that he hasn't followed through with certain marital traditions, a problem that will be raised once again this season. When the sisters' wives meeting occurred, with even an agenda list written by uMaqele, the tension and discomfort between Makhumalo and Mangwabe was visible. uMangwabe also alleged that Makhumalo's father was disrespectful to her children. Obviously, Makhumalo denied those allegations, and the duo couldn't see eye to eye with Makhumalo, saying Mangwabe can't let things go. Well, do you think the wives will allow wife number 5? Share your views on this one. Our next couple that we'll be talking about is Dr. Musa Mthombeni and Lizelle, the wifey of a doctor. Now, it has been over a year since Musa and his wife announced their relationship and sealed their union, and the couple has been trending on Twitter, and trips think Musa is doing too much to show love to his beautiful wife. Because every time Liz posts on her Instagram, Musa is always flooding on the comment section, complimenting his wife, of which is a beautiful thing, guys. Don't you think? Well, I also don't see anything wrong with what Musa is doing here. One tip said, this is too much and annoying. This is how you make a woman lose interest. Wife or girlfriend, she'll lose interest. Do you also think Musa Mthombeni is doing too much? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.